Hey guys, it's Chris here from HomeMasters, just covering a few aspects of a home that we check during a pre-purchase inspection. Obviously buying a home can be a pretty stressful scenario, but we are here to make it easier. I just want to show you a few things that we will check for you during the pre-purchase inspection. So obviously the roof covering, checking to make sure that's all well fixed down, making sure your gutters are nice and clean and clear. All your fascias are in good condition as well, so your fascias are these sections through here. Checking your eaves cladding, making sure that's all good. Any brickwork as well surrounding the property. Checking all your windows, making sure that they're watertight as well. Now we aren't electricians, but we will check the electrical box. Now the main things that we're checking for here are RCD safety switches, your circuit breakers, and making sure that nothing sort of trips during your inspection. The gas meter box, making sure that there is no nasty smells from that meter as well is important, and that's something that will be checked as well. The other thing that we also check for is a termite management notice to see what sort of termite protection is in place, and we will advise on any recommendations that you are required to follow to maintain any warranties that might be in place as well. So let's go have a look inside. Come through. So inside we pretty much check everything for you. So the main things here are your flooring, all your walls, checking all your ceilings as well, to make sure that there's no dampness, no major marks or anything like that. The windows we check as well. So the windows, obviously functionality is key, but also the other things that we check for are locks, and advise make sure that you get all the locks as well. In the kitchen, we check everything as well. So we've tested the cooker here. The fan is a bit noisy. The range hood is all good. Sink's flowing away water effectively. There's no gurgling of any of the drains or anything like that as well. Check all the flooring in the lounge room, dining area. With the air conditioning, I'll just show you here. We do check the units here as well, making sure that they are all working. Check all the ducts, making sure they're all getting adequate airflow as well. Probably the main part is the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we flow test everything. So we're going to check the water flow to your vanities, your bath. And we also moisture test around the taps as well to make sure that there are no leaks there as well. Inside the shower, a few integral parts. We check for all the silicone along here, making sure that the flooring is draining away water effectively, and we will moisture test around the taps, around the shower head, as well as test all the functionality of the pipes as well, making sure that there are no leaks. And the other thing is obviously making sure your ventilation is all adequate as well. With your toilet, pretty standard, but we make sure that it is well fixed, not leaking, and flushing and performing adequately. Laundry, pretty much similar as the bathroom. So we're going to test around the taps, making sure that there's no excessive moisture and around those taps as well as checking all your flooring, checking for cracks, all that sort of stuff. So the other main bit is just up here, up inside the roof, which a lot of people, obviously you just can't see during an open inspection, and that's where some costly defects can exist as well. So we'll check out all the roof framing, making sure that all your insulation is good. We obviously check all the doors, we'll check your alfresco area, check all the fencing, and for that you obviously get a fully typed report, color photos of all the problem areas in that report for you as well. And we're also here to provide any follow-up assistance or any questions that you might have as well. So just wanted to touch on a few things that will be covered during your inspection. There is a hell of a lot more as well. So we'll check all your paving. We also check your roller doors, making sure that they are functioning adequately. We comment on any cracks through the slab, and obviously give you a full structural assessment to make sure that the home is structurally sound. If you get the termite inspection at the same time as the building inspection, then there's a hell of a lot more involved. We actually knock test all the walls, moisture test everything, check for prior treatments, as well as advise and provide recommendations on any follow-up inspections or treatments as required. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, contact us at HomeMasters 8326 8885. Thanks for watching.